welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pragmata game not launching or not opening, crashing, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, then click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes. Next method is to check for Pragmata update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available. And after updating, launch the game and check. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu. Now select settings and click on network settings, then test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections. Click on Blu-ray. Here select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. Next is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system and click on settings, click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space. Next method is to reinstall Pragmata game. For that, press Xbox button, controller, then move to my games and apps and select see all option. Here select Pragmata, then press menu button and select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Pragmata official website and download the game, and after that try to launch it and check. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.